Hey now, I got a tool for you that might just save your bacon. Or tofurkey bacon. I got a tool for you that might just save your bacon for your next Zoom call, Skype call, or live stream. Also works when you're traveling or have to tether your device in order to get internet access. This tool might just save your... Shut up! Stick around and welcome to Doc Rock Tips. Aloha internet people! Welcome to Doc Rock Tips. I am that dude, Doc Rock. Man, I got a really cool app for you that might just save your butt the next time you're doing a Zoom call or a Skype call, trying to run a live stream, and your computer just wigs out because your internet starts running some weird application in the background you might not even know does background running. And that can just ruin your day. One of the main culprits, although it doesn't intend to be, is something like iCloud Sync or Google Sync. If you're running a video conferencing call or doing a live stream and iCloud or Google Drive decides to sync, Dropbox, whatever, it can actually just crap out your entire stream, and all of a sudden you start doing... Okay, that was bad. All of a sudden your video starts getting all herky-jerky, or worse yet, just in your connection. Well, I got a cool app for you that might just solve this problem, because trust me, I'm a doctor, or at least I play one on YouTube. The application I'm talking to you about is called TripMode. Now, TripMode was designed for those people who are probably traveling in the train or maybe using a cafe, and there comes the occasion where you have to tether your device, something like an iPhone, Android, or maybe even a little Wi-Fi puck. In these situations, sometimes when your computer sees the internet, it decides to start running updates or doing syncs for applications like Google Drive, iCloud Drive, Dropbox, Creative Cloud, whatever. Microsoft Box. Anybody still use Box? Anyway, basically what TripMode allows you to do is tell these applications to shut up while you are trying to use a limited internet connection. Well, it turns out this happens to work extremely well even on your desktop at home in your own network environment where your internet speeds might not be slow and might not be limited. But where this comes in handy, if you're doing a Zoom call or like myself, using a program like Ecamm, Streamlabs OBS, whatever you're doing your live streams in, it can stop your computer from attempting to do iCloud Sync, Google Drive Syncs, Dropbox, Creative Cloud, random updates, photo library, and even FaceTime calls from your mama. Making sure that none of these things happen while you're attempting a video conference or a live stream can often save your butt. And this is very, very simple to do. Now let me show you how this works. You come up here to your menu bar and you click on TripMode. Because I'm live streaming, I have told TripMode that when I'm streaming, I will only allow Safari, Ecamm Live, a couple of services necessary to run my Restream chat, because I use Restream in order to stream to two places, and to allow network shares and continuity. Continuity is in case I want to copy and paste something from my phone and send it to the stream. I also added the screen sharing widget, SetApp, which we'll talk about later, and Stream Deck. Everything else has been told to stay off my internet. So by telling these applications to stay off my internet while I am streaming, I can absolutely make sure that nothing crazy happens and protect my bandwidth. TripMode is available for $8. Okay, $7.99, and I'll put the link in the description. But I think there's a better way. I use a subscription service known as SetApp. SetApp is an ever-growing, ever-changing suite of applications that will make your Mac run better. It includes all sorts of things from maintenance, lifestyle, productivity, task management, developer tools, writing and blogging, creativity, and finance. Like, it's all in there. And it's a wonderful way to do this for one simple price of $9 a month. Now, some people are still on the fence about subscription services, but right now, SetApp is hooking you up with 6 months trial. That's incredible. What they basically do is they help out small developers by putting their apps into one central repository versus you searching all over the App Store trying to find the right app to do your thing. And the apps are easy to install and uninstall. And I've been on SetApp for going on 4 years since they first launched. It is a really incredible situation. And the two, I will put the description in the bottom so you can check it out. Now, don't forget, jump over to get yourself a TripMode and it might just save your bacon. I would like to thank you for watching this particular episode of Doc Rock Tips. Don't forget, I got more videos, more cool things to show. So if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, kick that bell right in the crack. Wait, this is not Philadelphia. No fear of missing out, no FOMO. Hit the bell, kick it right in the Philadelphia crack so you know whenever I post a new video, you will get notified and you won't miss out. This has been hella cool. At the end, this card's coming up. It's going to show you the next video you probably should watch. So just watch it, click it, and we'll see you again soon. Aloha. Peace out.